Useful videos family, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new buyer's guide or repair guide. Thank you so much and enjoy this video. The energy absorbing rebar for the front bumper was damaged on the Subaru Forester, and we're going to replace it today. First, we're going to show you the part number that should be applicable to all Subaru Foresters from 2017 through 2018. The part has 3 screws on top, and you can see the screw hole openings here. There's one at the very edge on each side, and then one directly in the middle. Additionally, there'll be 4 screw holes on the bottom of the piece. All of the screws for this piece are a 10mm, or alternatively, you can use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Coming up, we're going to show you where the screw holes are located when the actual item is on the vehicle. Note that this item has a little bit of damage on this side here, so it might be difficult to see the screw, but it's right back there where my finger is pointing to. Again, there's going to be one directly in the middle there, and then one at the very edge here. Again, this might be a little bit dark due to the shadows. The 4 screws on the bottom are also easy to notice once you get down there. If you also need to know how to remove the front bumper of this vehicle to get to this rebar, I do have a DIY video on that as well. I'll provide the link on the top right hand corner. With no obstacles in the way, it was really easy to remove all of the screws. I used a power drill with a socket extension and a 10mm socket, and I was able to remove all of the screws easily, quickly, and without any fuss or irritation. Additionally, I just want to make a point that the rebar is very light. It's probably less than 5 pounds, so if you do want to do this by yourself, it's definitely doable. Once all of the screws are removed, the item comes out really easily. Notice that there is a little tab that sticks out, and there is an indent on the rebar that needs to slide in over the tab. Tab helps to keep the item on without any screws and also aids in the alignment of the unit. Once the rebar is on correctly, just go ahead and get the screws and affix them to position, and then you can go ahead and tighten them down. I usually put the screws in hand tight first, and then I go in with the power drill just to make sure that I don't strip any of the bolts or the openings for the bolts. And essentially, that's all there is to it. This is definitely a DIY repair and something that you can attempt to do yourself. And then once you're done, this is how the item's going to look. Again, this is very easy to do. Just be mindful of that tab and make sure all of the screws are on tight. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next video.